Hello viewers, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to install Sublime Text 3, which is a platform in which you can type in any language you wish. So I personally feel that Sublime Text 3 is a very lightweight and easy-going platform in which you can easily, type in and execute your programs. So we will be doing that. In your default browser, you can type in Sublime Text Download, and I will click on the first link that pops up. So whatever language, whatever laptop you are in, whatever operating system you're using, say for example it's a Mac OS, Windows or Linux, you will click on the respective link. The file will be downloaded and you're supposed to click on the downloaded file. So there will be a pop-up. You will first be asked if the app is allowed to make changes. You will confirm. And whatever path it is saying that it will be saved in C drive, you will keep it as it is. You won't change it. Now click on next. So you can choose to tick box this checkbox or not. That's up to you. I won't be clicking this checkbox. Setup is now ready to begin installing Sublime Text on your computer. So let's install and we will wait for the platform to be installed on your laptop. So as you can see, complete the Sublime Text setup wizard. Click finish to exit setup. So Sublime Text has been installed on a laptop and now we will open it. So in front of me I have the Sublime Text which is open and I will be creating a new file. But first of all, I will be going to Tools, Build System. Now I'll click on Python. Because for this video, I'll be taking Python programming language as a default language, which we are going to operate in. Now to run any file, I will have to go to File, New File, and I will press Ctrl S to save the file. Now, to save any file, you have to create another file. So I've created another folder, sorry, not files, folder, and I've named it Python program. So it will be here somewhere. If not, I can just type in Python program. So this is a folder that I've created. It does not possess any files as yet. So I will create a dummy, say for example, dummy file. Say for example, I'll type in say text.py. Now all files that you're supposed to create, I will be using the Python language for demonstration purposes, and it will contain the file name will contain a .py extension. So I'll click on save. Now it is ready to perform. So I will be typing in a dummy language. Say for example, if I write print, say hello world, and if I click Control S, it will be saved. Now all I have to do is I will press Control B. I click on Python, and as you can see, the results have been executed.